Good morning students. Welcome to 11th standard chemistry video class. We are discussing lesson 2 quantum mechanical model of atom. In our last video we started with the topic quantum numbers, in which we completed principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. In this video we will start with magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. First point, it is denoted by the letter ml. It takes integral values ranging from minus L to plus L through 0. That is, if L equal to 1, m equal to minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Here, magnetic quantum number is denoted by the letter ml. The magnetic quantum number takes the integral values running from minus L to plus L through 0. That is minus L, 0 plus L. For example, if L equal to 1, that is azimuthal quantum number L equal to 1, it represents p orbital. Then m value running from minus 1, 0 plus 1. Hence, p orbital contains 3 orbitals. One more example, if L equal to 2, that is azimuthal quantum number L equal to 2, it represents d orbital. Then the m values running from minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Here, if L equal to 2, it is d orbital. Therefore, for d orbital, it contains 5 orbitals. Second point, different values of m for a given L value represent different orientation of orbitals in space. Here, m represents magnetic quantum number, L represents azimuthal quantum number. Here, for the given L value, we are having different values of m. Different values of m represents different orbitals. For example, for a given value of L, that is L equal to 1, it has different values of m, that is m equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1. Hence, it contains 3 different values. It is to be given for second point. Third point, the Zeeman effect, that is the splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field, provides the experimental justification for this quantum number. Already we discussed that the definition for Zeeman effect. It is defined as the splitting of spectral lines in a magnetic field. It is said to be Zeeman effect. This Zeeman effect provides the experimental justification for this magnetic quantum number. It is to be given for third point. Fourth point, the magnitude of the angular momentum is determined by the quantum number L, while its direction is given by magnetic quantum number. Here, the magnitude of the angular momentum is determined by the azimuthal quantum number L, where the direction is given by magnetic quantum number m. It is to be given for fourth point. Hence, all the 4 points from the magnetic quantum number is explained using the tabular column. It is as follows. This tabular column explains the quantum numbers and its significance. For K shell, the principal quantum number n equal to 1, where the maximum number of electrons in the K shell is 2. It is calculated from the formula 2n square. The azimuthal quantum number value for this shell is L equal to 0, which means s orbital. It contains maximum number of 2 electrons. It is calculated from the formula 2 into 2l plus 1. The magnetic quantum number m equal to 0. Here m equal to 0 is one value. Hence, it contains one orbital. It is given by the name 1s orbital. In 1s orbital, the 1 represents principal quantum number, where s represents azimuthal quantum number. For L equal to 0, it is s orbital. Hence, K shell contains 1s orbital with 2 electrons. Next, for L shell, the principal quantum number n equal to 2, where the maximum number of electrons in the L shell is 8. It is calculated from the formula 2n square. The azimuthal quantum number value for this shell is L equal to 0 and 1, which means L equal to 0, it is s orbital, L equal to 1, it is p orbital. Here, the s orbital contains maximum number of 2 electrons. The p orbital contains maximum number of 6 electrons. It is calculated from the formula 2 into 2l plus 1. The magnetic quantum number m equal to 0. Here m equal to 0 is one value. Hence, it contains one orbital. It is named as 2s orbital. Here, the 2 represents principal quantum number, where s represents azimuthal quantum number. For L equal to 0, it is s orbital. Hence, 2s orbital, which contains maximum number of 2 electrons. Next, for L equal to 1, it is p orbital. The magnetic quantum number m equal to -1, 0, plus 1. It contains 3 values. They are designated as 2px, 2py and 2pz orbitals. Here, the 2 represents principal quantum number. The p represents the azimuthal quantum number. For L equal to 1, it represents p orbital. Here, the x, y, z represents the direction. In p orbital, it contains maximum number of 6 electrons, in which the 2px orbital contains 2 electrons, the 2py orbital contains 2 electrons, the 2pz orbital contains 2 electrons. So totally, the maximum number of electrons which is present in p orbital is equal to 6. Hence, in the L shell, it contains one s orbital. It is named as 2s orbital, and 3 p orbitals. It is named as 2px, 2py and 2pz. Hence, L shell contains maximum number of 8 electrons. The 2 electrons are present in 2s orbital and the remaining 6 electrons are present in 2p orbitals. The 2p orbitals are named as 2px, 2py and 2pz. Hence, the same concept is explained for m shell and n shell, which is given in the next page. Spin quantum number. The spin quantum number represents the spin of the electron and is denoted by the letter ms. Here, the spin quantum number is denoted by the letter ms. Spin quantum number explains about rotation of the electron or spinning of the electron. It is to be given for first point. Second point, the electron in an atom revolves not only around the nucleus but also spins. It is usual to write this as electron spins about its own axis, either in a clockwise direction or in anticlockwise direction. The visualization is not true. However, spin is to be understood as representing a property that revealed itself in magnetic fields. Here, the electron in an atom revolves not only around the nucleus but also spins. The electron spins in its own axis either in clockwise direction or in anticlockwise direction. But the visualization is not true. However, spin is to be understood as representing a property that revealed itself in magnetic fields. It is to be given for second point. Third point, corresponding to the clockwise and anti-clockwise spinning of the electron, maximum two values are possible for this quantum number. Again I repeat, corresponding to the clockwise and anti-clockwise spinning of the electron, maximum two values are possible for this spin quantum number. Here for this spin quantum number, there should be maximum two values are possible. They are minus of and plus of, based on spinning of the electron through clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. It is to be given for third point. Fourth point, the values of ms is equal to minus of and plus of. Here each orbital contains two electrons. The first electron with minus of value and second electron with plus of value. It should be explained with a diagram. Consider the diagram. For any orbital, it contains two electrons. The first electron with minus of value with clockwise rotation. The second electron with plus of value with anti-clockwise rotation. It is shown in the diagram. Again, I repeat, the spin quantum number represents the spin of the electron and is denoted by the letter ms. Corresponding to the clockwise and anti-clockwise spinning of the electron, maximum two values are possible for this quantum number. The values of ms is equal to minus of and plus of. Hence, we completed the topic spin quantum number. Hence, we completed the four different types of quantum numbers, namely principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and the spin quantum number. It is an important detailed question. Now, let me conclude the topic quantum numbers. This tabular column contains quantum numbers, symbol, what it describes. First one, principal quantum numbers. It is given by the symbol n. The principal quantum numbers describes the size or shell number of the orbits. Next one, angular quantum numbers or otherwise azimuthal quantum numbers. It is given by the symbol L. The azimuthal quantum numbers describes the shape and energy of the orbitals. Next one, magnetic quantum numbers. It is given by the symbol ML. The magnetic quantum numbers describes number of orbitals in a subshell and their orientation in space. Finally, spin quantum number. It is given by the symbol ms. The spin quantum number describes the direction of spin of an electron within an orbital. It is a book back question. It should be asked in 2 marks or 3 marks. Hence, we completed the topic quantum numbers. Let me stop up to this topic. The remaining that we will discuss in our next video class. Thank you.